Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim today daily cipher on hamster combat for today, 21 June 2024. So just click on daily cipher. So the first alphabet we are looking for today is letter F, and to get the letter F we need to tap on this logo 2 times, tap and hold it for some seconds, and then tap on it again. So guys, as you can see, we have gotten our first letter. So the next letter A. So to get the letter A, we need to tap on this logo once and then tap and hold it for some seconds. So the next alphabet now is letter R. So and to get the letter R, we need to tap on this logo, tap and hold it for some seconds, and then tap on it again. So guys, for those of you who want to join my Telegram channel, just click on the search box here and then type Ali Ninja like this. And this is my channel guys, so Ali Ninja community. So just click on it and then click on join. So guys, the next alphabet is letter M, and to get the letter M we need to tap on this logo and hold it for some seconds 2 times. So that is all for today guys. So now I'm going to click on take the prize to claim the 1 million daily rewards. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time we upload new video on this channel.